In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to make your table of contents in Canva clickable. Why is this important? A clickable table of contents makes your ebook easier to navigate, helps readers jump straight to the section they want, and gives your work a more professional feel. For this demo, I'll be using an ebook from my Debbie Ultimate Coaching Canva template bundle. If you'd like to grab a copy of that, you'll find the link in the description. So, the first thing we're going to do, and this is very important, is add a relevant page title to the pages you want linked in your table of contents. These are usually your chapter titles. Let's go ahead and name each one. Next, click on the text in your table of contents that you want to link. Then, choose the page you want it to connect to. Canva will show you the pages inside your document, and having those page titles in place makes it so much easier to find the right one. If you skip adding titles, it can get confusing. Now, repeat this process for the rest of your chapter titles. If you don't want the links to be underlined, simply select the chapter titles and press Command or Ctrl+U on your keyboard, or click the underline icon to remove it. Once everything is linked, it's time to download your ebook. Choose PDF Standard. Since this is an ebook, make sure you do not tick the Flatten PDF option. Flattening will lock all the layers and your hyperlinks won't work, which defeats the purpose of a clickable table of contents. Now let's test it. Click on a chapter title in your PDF and, there you go, it jumps right to the page. And that's it. You now have a professional, clickable table of contents inside your Canva ebook. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.